Bonjour à tous, and today we are going to see about the lesson 3, la question objective part 2, that is a objective type question part 2, which is based on your third lesson. Move to the content. Répondez aux questions, that is answer the following, which is based on your third lesson, and corrigez les faux, make correct the mistakes. And third one is choisissez la meilleure réponse, that is choose the best answer, grammar part, which is based on your third lesson grammar part only. And move to the first content, that is répondez aux questions, answer the following. First question is Preeti et Rakesh, où vont-ils? So Preeti and Rakesh, where do they go? They goes to at the evening party. So ils vont à la soirée. So la soirée means what? Evening party. And second one is qui est Rakesh? So who is Rakesh? And il est le mari. Mari means what? Husband. So the Preeti. So he is a Preeti's husband. And third one is Preeti vous se retrouve son ancien camarade de classe. So Preeti, where did she found her classmate? So elle se retrouve son ancien camarade de classe à la soirée. So she found a friend in the evening party only. And fourth one is pourquoi Sarita a-t-elle quitté Londres? So why did Sarita left India? Elle a quitté Londres est allée aux États-Unis pour son travail. So she left India by she went to United States for a job. And fifth one is après le mariage, Sarita vous s'est-elle installée? So after the marriage, Sarita, where did she settle? So après le mariage, elle s'est installée of Canada. So she had settled in Canada. And sixth one is maintenant vous êtes Sarita. Now where is she? That is Sarita. Elle est rentrée en Inde. So she had returned to India avec sa famille. So with the family. And seventh one is qui est Vijay? So who is Vijay? Vijay est le mari de Sarita. So Vijay is Sarita's husband. And eighth one is Rakesh connaît Vijay? So does Rakesh knows Vijay? Yes, they are neighbors only. So the answer is what? Oui, ils sont voisins. So they are neighbors. And ninth one is qui sont Preeti et Sarita? So who are Preeti and Sarita? They are old classmates only. So elles sont ancient camarades de classe. So they are old classmates. And tenth one is pourquoi le client n'a pas retourné la chemise en avance? So why did the client did not return the shirt in advance? Because they went for a vacation immediately, so that he couldn't change the shirts and all. So that is the reason for this question. So let's famille du client est parti immédiatement en vacances. So the client's family left immediately for a vacation et est rentré seulement here, and they returned yesterday only, so that he couldn't change the shirt in advance. So donc le client n'a pas retourné la chemise en avance. And 11th one is qui a acheté une chemise dans ce magasin le mois dernier? So who had bought the shirts in the store last month? So la femme du client, that is client's wife only, bought a shirt. So la femme du client a acheté une chemise dans ce magasin le mois dernier. And 12th one is pourquoi le client voudrait-il rendre la chemise? So why would the customer want to change the shirt? Because the shirt is too tight and little classic, so that he would like to change the shirt. So this is the answer for that one. La chemise est trop serrée. Trop serrée means what? Too tight. Est un peu classique, that is little classic, so that he would like to change the shirt. And 13th one, est-ce qu'il voudrait acheter une autre chemise? So, would you want to buy another shirt? Yes. Oui, il voudrait acheter une autre chemise. Yes, he would like to change the another shirt. And 14th one, quelle est la taille de la chemise? So what is the size of the shirt? La taille est 38. That is, size is what? 38. And 15th one is, quelle marque le client préfère-t-il? Pourquoi? So which brand does the client prefer and why? So il prefer la marque Lacoste. So he prefer the Lacoste brand. Why? Parce que, because la coupe est parfait. The cut is perfect. And 16th one is pour quelle marque il y a un rabais de 30 pesos. So for which brand is there 30% discount? Il y a un rabais de 30 pesos pour la marque Louis Philippe. For the brand Louis Philippe only, they are getting a 30% discount. And next 17th one is est-ce qu'il y a un rabais pour Lacoste? So is there any discount for the Lacoste brand? No, il n'y a pas de rabais. So instead of indefinite article, you have to change the, because the sentence is what? Negative. So you have to use the only. So no, il n'y a pas de rabais pour la marque Lacoste. So there is no discount for the Lacoste brand. And 18th one is what? Est-ce que le magasin a une vaste gamme de marques? Is there any wide range of brand in the department store? Yes. Oui, le magasin a une vaste gamme de marques. Yes, there are a lot of brand in the department store. And 19th one is la facture n'est pas nécessaire pour rendre un produit. So the bill is not necessary to make the product. So bill is necessary. So you have to write the answer C. C means what? Another meaning of S. So C, la facture. The bill is necessary. So la facture est nécessaire pour rendre un produit. So the bill is necessary to change the product. And vous est le client. So where is the client? So the client est dans un grand magasin. So the client is in the department store. And you have 20 questions in this lesson. And let us move to the second content, that is corriger les faux. First sentence is là, elle rencontre sa ancien camarade de classe. So here the mistake is what? Adjective possessive, that is sa. Here answer is what? So. You have to change the adjective possessive instead of sa, so only. By the ancient, it begins with what? Vowel. For that vowel you have to use a so only. So the answer is what? La, elle rencontre son ancien camarade de classe. So that she met her old classmate. And next, second one is salle and pantalon est ma ancien camarade de classe. So that one in pant is my old classmate. So here also you have to change the adjective possessive ma instead of mo. Why? Because the noun begins with what? Vowel. So that you have to change mo. So the answer is what? Salle and pantalon est mon ancien camarade de classe. The one in pant is my old classmate. And third one is voici la facture. Here the bill, and facture it's a feminine noun. Here the mistake is what? La, that is definite article. So you have to change a la because the noun is feminine. And fourth one is elle est rentrée avec la famille en Inde. So she returned with the family in India. So here the mistake is what? Definite article only. Noun is what? Feminine noun. For the feminine noun you have to use a la. And fifth one is voici Sarita et sa mari Vijay. So here the noun mistake is what? Adjective possessive, and the answer is what? So. Why? Because mari it's a husband, it's a masculine noun. For the masculine noun you have to change so. So the answer is what? Voici Sarita et son mari Vijay. So here Sarita and her husband Vijay. And sixth one, quelle surprise. Here the mistake is what? adjective, interrogative adjective. Here the surprise is a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, interrogative adjectives is what? Quulle. You have to add the e for this, for here. And the answer is what? Cal surprise. Surprise means what a surprise. And seventh one, Vijay, come over you. So Vijay, how are you? So here the conjugation, that is verb conjugation, is wrong. That is alay verb conjugation. Alay verb is an irregular one. So for the tu subject you have to use what? A va. So Vijay, come over you. So Vijay, how are you? And eighth one is Rakesh, quelle belle coincidence. So Rakesh, what your coincidence. So here the mistake is what? Adjective and interrogative only. So for the bal adjective, it's a feminine adjective. For the feminine adjective, you have to use a Quelle, cal. And ninth one is Rakesh, cal bal coincidence. Here the mistake is what? Adjective. So coincidence, it's a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, you have to use the adjective bal, Belle. And 10th one is regardez ici, look here, and vous avez a vaste gamme de marque, and you have a wide range of brand. And here the mistake is what? Indefinite article, because vaste gamme de marque is a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, you have to change vin. And 11th one is vous avez vin rabais the 30 peso pour cette marque, and you have a 30% discount for this brand. So here the mistake is what? Indefinite article only, because rabais is here masculine noun. For the masculine noun, indefinite article is what? A. So this is all about your second content. Let us move to the third content. Choisis la meilleure réponse grammar. So choose the best answer which is based on your grammar part. So first one is Rakesh dash bal coincidence. Here adjective, interrogative adjective is what? Cal, because the noun is what? Adjective is what? Feminine noun. For the feminine noun, you have to use feminine adjective, you have to use cal, Quelle. And second one is dash couleur voulez-vous essayer. So which color you want to try. So here you have to use the interrogative adjective, because couleur is a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, you have to use the interrogative adjective cal. And third one is leur bois dash coca. So here you have to use a partitive article. Partitive article, what are the partitive article? Du, de la, the apostrophe, and they. Here the noun is what? Coca, it's a masculine noun. For the masculine noun, you have to use a du coca. So Laure drinks some Coca-Cola. And fourth one is Patrick don la clé dash receptionist. So here you have to use a contracted article. For the contracted article, receptionist is a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, you have to use ala. Ala means what? To the. So Patrick gives the key to the receptionist. And Sarita achète beaucoup dash roman français. So here you have to note one thing. If the adjective comes first, means you have to use the preposition the only. Okay, so the answer is what? Sarita achète beaucoup de romans français. So Sarita had bought a lot of French novels. And the sixth one is j'ai appris dash belle chanson Tamil. So I learned a Tamil song. So here you have to use a indefinite article only. So here it came. So vin bal chance. So bal, it's a feminine adjective. For the feminine adjective, you have to use a